Hello friends, welcome to Renita's Cookhouse. I'm back with a very popular Indian Bengali recipe, mutton curry. We like to have it at least once a month, especially on Sunday. It's a must for guests and special occasions. You can have it with rice, pulao, biryani and Indian breads like roti, naan, tandoori roti and paratha. The ingredients we need are goat meat, 2.5 pounds. I have washed the goat meat well, drained the water completely and marinated it for 2 hours with 1/4 cup of mustard oil, half tablespoon of turmeric and half tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder and some salt. Mashed tomato, 3 big, about 2 cups, grinded with mortar and pestle. Finely chopped onion, 2 cups. Potatoes, 3. Skin is peeled off and cut into halves. Bay leaf, 2. Garlic, 4 tablespoons, about 20 cloves, grinded with mortar and pestle. Ginger, 4 tablespoons, grinded with mortar and pestle. Cloves, 8. Cinnamon, 3 sticks. Cumin, 1 tablespoon. Coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon, grinded with mortar and pestle. Green cardamom, 8, grinded with mortar and pestle. Salt to taste, about 1 tablespoon, added little at a time. Turmeric, 2 tablespoons. Kashmiri red chili powder, 2 tablespoons. Grinded nutmeg or jaifal, 1/4, grinded with mortar and pestle. Maize or javitri, 1 flower. Mustard oil, 2 cups. This is mortar and pestle, where I grind my spices. Heat some mustard oil in a pan. Add a pinch of turmeric to the oil and stir for 5 to 6 seconds. This will take off the smell of turmeric and it will provide a very nice color to the food. Add the potatoes and a pinch of salt and saute till golden brown. If required, add some vegetable oil. Once the potatoes are done, take them out of the pan and keep them aside. Heat half cup of mustard oil in a pan. Add bay leaf, cinnamon, cardamom, cloves, cumin, coriander, mace and nutmeg and saute till golden brown. Add chopped onion and saute till it starts turning brown. Add ginger and garlic and saute till golden brown. When the masala starts becoming brown, add turmeric, chili powder and saute till the masala reduces and the oil starts separating from the masala. Now we will add the tomatoes. With a spatula, we will break the bigger pieces of the tomato so that it cooks evenly. Throughout the process of making the masala, we need to cook in low heat and stir frequently in a circular motion. This helps to avoid burning of the masala. We will cook the masala till it becomes brown in color and the oil separates from the masala, and we will also not find any raw smell of the spices that we have used. The masala is done, so we need to add the goat meat and mix it well with the masala. I'm adding about 1 teaspoon of salt. If required, we can add more salt towards the end. I did not get the desired color, so I'm adding half tablespoon of turmeric and half tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. We need to keep stirring the food Otherwise, the masala might get stuck at the bottom of the pan and get burned. The taste will not be good in that case. We will cook for about 20 minutes in a medium heat. We will now transfer the meat to a pressure cooker. Add 2.5 cups of water. Add the potatoes and some salt and pressure cook for about 10 minutes in high heat. After 10 minutes, I have opened the pressure cooker and seen that we need some salt. So I have added half a teaspoon of salt and stirred it again. I've also checked the potatoes and the meat to understand how much time we will require to cook it, because the total cooking time of a meat will depend upon the type of the meat. My mutton curry is ready for serving. It is soft and juicy. It tastes good and it smells so nice. Thanks for watching. I will be back with a different recipe. Don't forget to click on the thumbs up button and subscribe button below. You can also follow me in Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Take care of yourself. See you soon. Bye.